Istanbul. The name alone conjures up images of minarets piercing the sky, the scent of spices wafting through bustling bazaars, and the call to prayer echoing across the water, creating a symphony of sounds that is uniquely Istanbul. Istanbul is a city that straddles two continents, Europe and Asia, and for centuries has been a crossroads of cultures and civilizations, a melting pot where East meets West. This unique location has shaped Istanbul's identity, creating a vibrant tapestry of history, art and culture. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by its energy and charm, a city that never seems to sleep. Istanbul's history is long and storied, stretching back thousands of years. It has been ruled by Roman emperors, Byzantine emperors and Ottoman sultans, each leaving an indelible mark on the city's landscape and culture. This rich history is visible everywhere, from the ancient walls to the magnificent mosques that dot the skyline. But Istanbul isn't just about the past. It's a modern metropolis with a thriving arts scene, delicious cuisine and a vibrant nightlife that rivals any city in the world. The people of Istanbul are as warm and welcoming as the city itself, always ready to share a story or a smile. They're proud of their heritage and eager to share their culture with visitors through music, dance and art. Whether you're sipping Turkish coffee in a traditional cafe or bargaining for souvenirs in the Grand Bazaar, one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, you'll be met with smiles and hospitality, a testament to the city's enduring spirit. Istanbul is a feast for the senses, a place where every corner offers something new to discover. It's an assault on your senses with its vibrant colors, sounds and smells, but in the best possible way, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Istanbul is a city that will stay with you long after you've left, a place that beckons you to return. It's a place where you can lose yourself in history, indulge in delicious food and experience the warmth of Turkish hospitality, a city that feels like home. So come and discover the magic of Istanbul for yourself, a city where every visit feels like the first time. No trip to Istanbul is complete without visiting its trio of architectural marvels, the Hagia Sophia, the Blue Mosque and Topkapi Palace. These iconic landmarks are not just buildings, they are the very essence of Istanbul's rich cultural and historical tapestry. These structures stand as testaments to Istanbul's grand past and the empires that once called it home. Each one tells a unique story of the city's evolution through the ages. The Hagia Sophia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a marvel of Byzantine architecture. Its grandeur and historical significance make it a must-see for any visitor. Built by Emperor Justinian in the 6th century, it was once the largest church in Christendom. Its construction marked a significant achievement in architectural design and engineering. Its massive dome seems to float effortlessly above the vast interior, adorned with intricate mosaics. These mosaics depicting religious scenes and figures are a testament to the artistic prowess of the Byzantine era. Today, the Hagia Sophia serves as a museum, a symbol of Istanbul's rich and complex history. It has witnessed the city's transformation from Byzantium to Constantinople to Istanbul. Just a stone's throw away stands the Blue Mosque, an architectural masterpiece of the Ottoman Empire. Its striking design and historical importance make it a focal point of the city's skyline. Built in the 17th century, the mosque is famed for its 6 minarets and its interior decorated with tens of thousands of blue Iznik tiles. These tiles create a serene and majestic atmosphere within the mosque. The mosque is an active place of worship, and visitors are welcome to observe the peaceful rituals of Islam. It offers a unique opportunity to experience the spiritual side of Istanbul. Our final stop takes us to Topkapi Palace, the opulent residence of Ottoman Sultans for over 400 years. This palace complex is a treasure trove of history and luxury. This sprawling complex of courtyards, pavilions and gardens offers a glimpse into the lavish lives of the Ottoman rulers. Each section of the palace has its own unique charm and historical significance. Marvel at the treasury filled with dazzling jewels and ornate weapons, each piece telling a story of power and opulence. And enjoy the stunning views of the Bosphorus from the palace terraces. These views provide a perfect end to our journey through Istanbul's architectural wonders, showcasing the city's unique blend of history, culture and natural beauty. One of the best ways to experience Istanbul's unique location is by taking a cruise along the Bosphorus Strait. This journey not only offers a serene escape from the bustling city, but also provides a unique vantage point to appreciate the city's rich history and vibrant culture. This waterway separates Europe and Asia, creating a natural boundary that has shaped the city's identity for centuries, and a cruise offers breathtaking views of the city's skyline, historic landmarks, and charming waterfront neighborhoods. As you sail, you'll witness the harmonious blend of the old and the new, where ancient structures stand proudly alongside modern architecture. As your boat glides along the Bosphorus, you'll pass by grand Ottoman palaces like Dolmabahce Palace, a symbol of the empire's opulence and grandeur. The last residence of Ottoman Sultans, known for its opulent interiors and beautiful gardens. The palace's intricate design and lavish decor reflect the zenith of Ottoman architectural achievement. The Rumeli Fortress, a formidable structure built by Mehmed the Conqueror in the 15th century, stands guard on the European side. This fortress played a crucial role in the conquest of Constantinople. It's a reminder of the city's strategic importance, serving as a testament to its military and historical significance. Keep an eye out for the Maiden's Tower, a small islet structure with a romantic legend surrounding it. This iconic tower has inspired countless tales and myths over the centuries. Some say a princess was imprisoned there to protect her from a prophecy. The tower's isolated and mysterious vibe adds to its allure. Today it houses a restaurant and cafe offering spectacular views. Visitors can enjoy a meal or a cup of tea while taking in the panoramic vistas of the Bosphorus. The shores of the Bosphorus are lined with charming villages, waterfront mansions, and historic wooden houses. Each of these structures tells a story of the city's diverse cultural heritage. You'll see fishermen casting their lines, ferries crisscrossing the water, and the daily life of locals unfolding along the shores, and locals enjoying the sunshine. The Bosphorus is not just a waterway, it's a lifeline that connects the people and the history of Istanbul. It's a scene that perfectly captures the essence of Istanbul, a city where continents meet and cultures blend seamlessly. Prepare to be dazzled by the vibrant chaos of Istanbul's Grand Bazaar and Spice Bazaar. These ancient marketplaces are a feast for the senses, offering a glimpse into the city's trading history and a chance to experience its vibrant culture. The Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, is a labyrinth of over 4,000 shops. Here you can find everything from carpets and ceramics to jewelry and leather goods. The air is thick with the scent of spices, and the sounds of vendors hawking their wares fill the air. It's an experience that will transport you back in time. For a sensory overload, head to the Spice Bazaar. This colorful market is a feast for the eyes and nose, with stalls overflowing with colorful spices, dried fruits, nuts, and Turkish delight. The aroma of cinnamon, cloves, and saffron will envelop you as you wander through the narrow aisles. Don't be afraid to haggle for the best prices and enjoy a cup of Turkish tea with a friendly shopkeeper. It's all part of the experience. Section 5. A culinary journey tastes of Istanbul. Istanbul is a paradise for food lovers, offering a diverse culinary scene that reflects its rich history and cultural influences. From street food to fine dining, there's something to tantalize every palate. No trip to Istanbul is complete without indulging in a juicy kebab. Whether it's doner kebab, thinly sliced meat cooked on a vertical rotisserie, or shish kebab, grilled skewers of marinated meat and vegetables, you'll find countless variations across the city. For a quick and tasty bite, try a balik ekmek, a grilled fish sandwich, a popular street food item. For a taste of Turkish delight, sample baklava, a rich and flaky pastry filled with nuts and sweetened with honey or syrup. Another must-try is Turkish delight, or lokum, a chewy confectionery made from starch and sugar, often flavored with rosewater, lemon, or pistachio. Section 6. The pulse of modern Istanbul, Taksim Square and beyond. While Istanbul is steeped in history, it's also a modern and vibrant city. Taksim Square, located in the Beyoğlu district, is the heart of modern Istanbul. This bustling square is a hub of activity with shops, restaurants and hotels lining its streets. Take a stroll down Istiklal Street, a pedestrianized shopping street that stretches from Taksim Square to the Galata Tower. Here you'll find a mix of international brands, local boutiques, art galleries, cafes and historic buildings. It's a great place to soak up the city's energy and experience its modern side. For panoramic views of Istanbul, head to the top of the Galata Tower a 14th century Genoese tower that offers breathtaking vistas of the city, the Golden Horn and the Bosphorus. It's a sight you won't soon forget. Section 7. Cultural immersion, hammams and traditional arts. To truly immerse yourself in Istanbul's culture, consider indulging in a traditional Turkish bath or hammam. These historic baths offer a unique and rejuvenating experience. You'll be scrubbed, soaped and massaged, leaving you feeling refreshed and relaxed. For a taste of Turkish culture, attend a traditional performance. Whirling Dervishes is a mesmerizing spectacle where dancers whirl and spin in a spiritual trance. Or enjoy a night of Turkish music and belly dancing, a lively and colorful performance. Section 8. Istanbul, a tapestry of experiences. Istanbul is a city that defies easy description. It's a place where history, culture and modern life intertwine, creating a vibrant tapestry of experiences. From its magnificent mosques and palaces to its bustling bazaars and modern avenues, Istanbul offers something for everyone. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, indulging in delicious cuisine, or simply soaking up the city's vibrant atmosphere, Istanbul is a destination that will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. So, come and discover the magic of Istanbul for yourself. You won't be disappointed.